Meghan Markle's interview to Oprah Winfrey has ensured that she will dominate all social conversations this weekend. We help you slip into those chats by playing the part, by looking like Meghan Markle, as celebrity makeup artist Ashima Kapoor helps us recreate Meghan Markle's hair and makeup. Ashima is a celebrity makeup artist. She has worked with the likes of Huma Qureshi and Jacqueline Fernandez, to name a few. Ashima, thank you for your time.
Thank you, Ambika, for having me.
So Ashima, when I think of Meghan Markle, to my uneducated eye, I think she does smoky eyes, nude lips and a low messy knot.
Yes.
What am I missing? What are the technicalities you can tell us?
She essentially keeps a very minimal base and lets her freckles show through. Definitely we see a smoky eye, we see a nude pink lip. What we also see in terms of her hair is a low messy knot, which looks undone as though she's done it herself, but of course she has hairstylists do it for her. The blush that she uses a draping technique where she doesn't really contour her face. She uses a blush to contour her face.
And which colors should one use? Because we do know the contouring color is a darker palette.
Right.
So one is doing draping. Which colors of blush work?
Essentially, she uses a coral blush, which would sculpt the face alongside because it's a warmer tone. So it's not really a light blush. You could use warmer color blush to contour the face alongside using the blush.
All right. So let's get started and you can keep educating us all as we go along.
Yeah, let's get started. So I'm using a Farsali oil, which is just a serum to moisturize your face instead of a moisturizer. This is something that I'm doing for your skin. Of course, we're recreating the Meghan Markle look, but we've got to also keep your features in mind while working. So we begin with a very minimal foundation. So I'm going to use a concealer. The lid is a tad bit darker than the rest of the face, so one just uses a concealer to balance the skin tone. Next up, we're going to use a translucent powder. Just the shiny areas of the face. The face needs to look luminous. I'm going to do the smoky eye look. Now, very specifically, Meghan does a smoky eye look, but I'm not going to do it in a black because what we notice is that she definitely does a brown black smoky eye. To achieve that, I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow first and then just smoke the eyeliner. Gone are the days when we would use a shiny highlighter under the brow, a matte highlighter just to blend the brown into the highlight area. We're going to smudge the eyeliner with a black eyeshadow. Now this is what creates the smoky eye look and gives it intensity.
Now it's time for draping?
Yes.
I am so curious.
This looks lovely, Ambika. Now we're going to go on to the lip. It looks beautiful. Let's move on to the hair.
Lovely.
And we're done.
Thank you so much, Ashima. I'm sure everybody has been taking notes.